Euro NCAP overhauls crash tests to thwart automaker exploitation. Euro NCAP, the leading European vehicle safety assessor, is fundamentally changing its crash test protocols to prevent automakers from engineering cars, specifically to pass tests, rather than prioritizing genuine safety. The new system will leverage artificial intelligence, AI, and drastically expanded real-world testing to expose vehicles that perform well under narrow conditions, but falter in unpredictable scenarios. The problem with current testing for 3 decades, Euro NCAP has relied heavily on single-point tests, standardized speeds, overlaps, and scenarios. This approach, while effective in raising baseline safety, has created an incentive for manufacturers to optimize vehicles for these specific tests, often at the expense of broader safety performance. As Dr. Michiel van Ratingen, Secretary General of Euro NCAP, explained, automakers would prioritize achieving maximum ratings, sometimes neglecting real-world crash resilience. Manufacturers optimize to become 5 stars, and they don't care about anything else. This gaming of the system meant cars could earn high scores while still failing in unexpected collisions or driver assist failures. This is especially concerning because automakers are often paid bonuses for achieving top ratings, making test manipulation a direct economic advantage. The shift to domain definition testing, the core change, is a move toward domain definition testing. Instead of fixed scenarios, Euro NCAP will use AI and real-world data to create a continuous range of test conditions. This means speeds, angles, and configurations will vary unpredictably, mimicking the chaos of actual driving. Testing will no longer focus on specific crash setups, but on a spectrum of possibilities. AI will analyze real-world accident data to identify gaps in current safety standards. The system will assess how cars perform across a wide range of speeds, overlaps, and conditions, not just in narrow test cases. Real-world testing expands. Real-world testing has already begun with speed sign recognition systems, with vehicles being evaluated in Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. By 2029, this will extend to advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. Euro NCAP will deploy test drivers on long-distance routes in diverse conditions, pushing ADAS to its limits beyond laboratory simulations. This ensures safety tech performs reliably in unpredictable traffic, weather, and road conditions. Why this matters: the shift is crucial because safety should be about genuine protection, not bureaucratic compliance. Automakers have historically treated Euro NCAP ratings as a checklist, focusing on minimum requirements rather than maximum safety. By eliminating predictable test parameters, Euro NCAP forces manufacturers to prioritize broader crash resilience and reliable ADAS performance. This change will ensure that 5-star ratings actually mean a safer vehicle, not just a well-engineered test result. The goal is to end the practice of automakers hiding behind narrow optimization strategies and instead drive innovation toward truly life-saving vehicle design.